Konnichiwa minasan, I am Gargi, your Japanese language teacher from Surya School Bhiwadi, welcoming you all for your language in your language class. So yesterday we discussed about the ka particle. The main function of ka particle is the ka particle change the simple sentence into the question sentence. When we put ka particle at the end of any sentence, that sentence become the interrogative sentence, and that is the main function of ka particle. We often see so many questions, so many sentences, and when the ka is reflected at the end of any sentence, we think that that sentence must be a question. In English, what we see a question mark. If question mark present at the end of any sentence, that means that sentence must be a question. And in Japanese, if ka is present at the end of any sentence, that means that sentence must be a question. So today we discuss about the second part or second function of ka particle. The second function of ka particle is also used as a choice particle. So when we want to show our choice between this or this, that or this, so we need to put ka particle in between two choices. Enpitsu or boru pen, pencil or pen. I want to write by pencil or pen. I can write by pencil or pen. So the English or, we replace this or by the Japanese particle ka. Enpitsu ka boru pen. Enpitsu ka boru pen means pencil or pen. Enpitsu ka boru pen de kakitai desu. I want to write by pencil or pen. So ka particle is also used as a choice particle. Let's look at slide for motorcycle. So this is the ka particle part second. As I told you, the ka particle is used as a choice particle. The pattern of ka particle is choice plus ka plus choice. Ka particle is used as a choice particle when you want to show your choice, your first choice, your second choice, and you need to put ka particle in between your choice. Watashi wa, the first example is watashi ka anata. As you know, watashi means me, anata means you. I want to say me or you, मैं or तुम, then I should say watashi ka anata. Kohi ka kocha. That is actually quite wrong. This is kohi ka kocha. So kohi ka kocha, tea or coffee. Nihongo ka ego. Nihongo means Japanese language, ego means English language. So if I want to say I want to learn Nihongo ka ego, so I can say ka particle in between the. Enpitsu ka boru pen, pencil or pen. So these are the choices, and we are putting ka particle in between. In English we are using or, and in Japanese we are using the ka particle. There are some more examples that we are using ka particle in the sentence. The first one is I want to drink tea or coffee. Tea means kocha, coffee means kohi. So kocha ka kohi ga nomitai this. Nomitai means want to drink. Kocha ka kohi ga nomitai this. Ka is again a different particle which we discuss later. Today we are learning only the ka particle. So here is ka particle using for giving the choices. Kocha ka kohi ka nomitai this. Next is I want to write by ball pen or pencil. Boru pen ka enpitsu de kakitai this. Boru pen, enpitsu, ball pen, pencil. In between the choice we are putting the ka particle, and kakitai is for I want to write. Next is I want to eat apple or orange. Apple, ringo, orange, mikan. Ringo ka mikan ga tabetai this. Ringo or mikan, I want to eat apple or orange. So ringo ka mikan. We are putting the ka particle in between the choices. So guys, this is the second function of ka particle. Ka particle is used as a choice particle. The first one we learned yesterday. The ka particle is used as a question particle. The second one we discussed today. The ka particle is used as a choice particle. So these are the two main function of ka particle. One is as a question particle and second is as a choice particle. Hope you understand both two functions of ka particle. If you cannot understand, if you are having or facing any difficulties of understanding these particles, you send your queries to me and you can call me. I will resolve your issues, resolve your queries. My advice to you to just note it down more examples of ka particle related to the main function or describing the second functions. So that give you more precise view of that particle and explain yourself to ka particle. So stay safe, stay healthy. Sayonara, jamatai masho.